Hello, here we are. Say hi, Sue.
Hi, Sue.
And we're at the Holiday House built out. It's construction day. We took down our rooms in the Hamptons at the Holiday House Hamptons, and here we are at NYNOW, the interior design trade show at the Jacob Javits Center, and they invited us to take on the foyer design for this build out. It's so incredibly amazing to be a part of this. We custom designed this wallpaper that we call Patina. We got this amazing piece of art from this fantastic artist I met in Montauk named Lizzie Gill. Bradley Furniture gave us these gorgeous furniture piece. We're waiting on 2 poofs which are coming in, which are upholstered in our Root Cellar Designs fabric. They'll be here any day. And Susan and I picked up these chandeliers and these sconces from our fabric rep in Connecticut, the Schwartz Designer Show House, and we used our own vintage pieces to accessorize. We have a black rug, right now it has plastic on it, and we have these incredible swatches made in metallic that we're going to be giving away because we're introducing a new metallic wallpaper.